What's the hardest thing to explain to women as a man? 1. Sometimes our thing just gets hard. It just happens. We don't control it. It's a physical response that could literally come from nothing. 2. The reason I shake the gas pump for so long after finishing is the same reason I shake my pickle after I pee. 3. Why I don't know what the hell my best friend is up to in life, even after hanging out with him all day. 4. Just because I'm quiet in your presence doesn't mean I'm upset. I'm probably tired, don't have anything to say, or I'm thinking about something random. 5. I seriously don't check you out every time you walk by in the office. I turn my head for damn near anything that enters my periphery. You're really not that special. 6. When you ask me how my day was, or what I did, nothing usually stands out as important, so I just don't remember. I just live. 7. When I say I need